shut my eyes. I was sleeping and dreaming till the sun was high and bright. I get up, surprise, I'm a little bit hungover. Cell phone buzzing in the pocket of my jeans. It's a friend from down the street. He's saying, let's get some coffee and you and something to eat. So we find a table in the sun by the window. Watch the people watch. Then you move into view and look in my direction. There it is, the undeniable connection. Looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you. Oh, my friend takes a hike on his mountain bike. Now there's a seat with your name on it. Come on inside, let's talk a while. Wearing our feels like a minute. I'll be honest, the truth is upon us. We might be two or one yet to be. Not implausible, highly probable. Come on inside, let's talk a while. Wearing our feels like a minute. I'll be honest, the truth is upon us. We might be two or one yet to be. Not implausible, highly probable. More so than we could ever dream. Looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you. Hope you see what I see. Hope you feel what I feel. Hope you want a life that is beautiful and different than the average life in America. On the street when you grew up with the neighbor who could always find something to complain about. Something to complain about. There's always something to complain about. Let's have the eyes to see. We don't have